This procedure covers the general guidelines for soldering surface mount J-lead components. There is basically only one style of J-lead component. Whether leads are on 2 sides or 4 sides, or whether the component is large or small, the soldering principles are the same. The minimum skill level needed to complete this procedure reliably is intermediate. The conformance level reached when this procedure is completed properly is high. See the web page for a list of the tools and materials required to complete this procedure. The procedure follows. Step 1. Add a small bead of solder paste along the row of pads. Step 2. Place the component in position. Step 3. Adjust the pressure and temperature output of the hot air tool. Step 4. Direct the hot air over the component with the hot air tool tip approximately 2.50 cm from the solder joint. This initial heating will pre-dry the solder paste. Note: solder paste has a dull flat appearance when dried. Step 5. When the solder paste has dried, move the hot air tool tip to approximately 0.50 cm above the component. Move the tool back and forth to heat all the solder joints until the complete solder melt is observed. Step 6. Remove the tool. Wait a moment for the solder to solidify. Step 7. Clean, if required, and inspect.